Hello, how to quickly simplify this nice math problem, 16 to the power of 7 minus 16 to the power of 3. Then take note of this, that 16 is equal to 2 to the power of 4. Therefore, 16 to the power of 7 minus 16 to the power of 3 is equal to 2 to the power of 4 to the power of 7 minus 2 to the power of 4 to the power of 3. Take note of this, that if you have a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of mn. This is equal to a to the power of n to the power of m. Then 2 to the power of 4 to the power of 7 can be written as 2 to the power of 4 times 4 multiplied by 7 minus 2 to the power of 4 to the power of 3 can be written as 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 3. Then this is equal to 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 7. That is 2 to the power of 28 minus 2 to the power of 4 times 3. That is 12. Then this is equal to 2 to the power of 12 is smaller than this. We have 2 to the power of 12 bracket this divided by this. We have 2 to the power of 16 minus this divided by this, that is 1. But 2 to the power of 16 is equal to 6, 5, 5, 3, 6. Then here we have 2 to the power of 12 bracket 6, 5, 5, 3, 6 minus 1. This is equal to 2 to the power of 12 bracket 6, 5, 5, 3, 5. But 2 to the power of 12 is equal to 4096. And this is equal to 4096 multiplied by 65535. And if you multiply these two together, we have 268431360. Therefore 16 to the power of 7 minus 16 to the power of 3 is equal to 268431360. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.